Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Ashlee. I'm the creator of flippingfantasticfindsandthings. If you like what you see here, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and tap that notification bell to get more from me. All right, so this is part 2 of my my setup. This is my office that's upstairs. This is where I do all of my accounting. I do all of my spreadsheets, all of that kind of thing in here. It's a little bit of a disaster. So I also sell my own clothes that I have on Marketplace. So those are kind of all over the place, and some other odds and ends things that were just kind of thrown in here because it's a catch-all. So I'm still trying to work on organizing it, and I might actually do that in another video. If you guys would like to see that, please comment down below. I would really appreciate it. So yes, for those of you who don't know and haven't watched my other videos, I'll explain a little bit about myself. I used to work full-time in a grocery store a few months ago. I've been doing it on and off for 10 years, and I finally got fed up with how they were treating me as a woman. I just decided to quit and do my own thing. I already had this plan going for the past 6 years that I wanted to work from home, be my own boss, you know, all that good stuff. But this is me showing you from my beginning all the way through, so that way you guys can see. And if you're thinking about starting it, then you can also see, oh, I'm not the only one in this boat where I'm a mess. There's no way to be completely organized with this right off the get-go. It takes practice and it takes time, which you guys need to understand that. And see that from somebody else who's sharing their experience with you. So I'm going to actually turn the camera on and show you my office a little bit more. But yep, stay tuned if you want to hear more. And here we go. Alright guys, so this is my office. And like I said, it is currently quite a bit of a mess. I have a ton of stuff that I'm trying to sell right now. I have some prom dresses. I've got some bedspreads that I got from my dad and my stepmom. I don't know if I'm going to keep any of them, or if I do, it's going to be only a couple. There's a lot. And then I'm trying to also help my dad start his frame business. That's what this pile and this pile are. But like I said, it is a mess in here also. And also I wanted to show you guys, this is my recording setup at the moment. It is pretty sad. It's there. I got the tripod for free. That's just a little jewelry box that I had laying around just to prop it up because it doesn't swivel. It's my chair. And then this is my lovely computer desk. I'm actually starting to organize some stuff in my filing cabinet. I've got some drawers set up. These folders are probably a huge lifesaver for me for anything that is actually hard copies. They're all nice and labeled and organized. And yeah, I've got some random stuff everywhere. This is an old TV that we're trying to decide if we want to fix or not. It was worth $700 and the screen got smashed by yours truly on accident. But yeah, anyways, this is my crazy mess of an office. So just so you can tell or see, I am not perfect. I have a long way to go with this. And if you guys definitely want a video on me organizing my office to be more efficient and at low cost, please let me know in the comments below. I would be glad to do something like that for you. So there's your impromptu tour of my extremely messy office. So yeah, like I said before, if you guys want to see me do a video of me organizing my office with very little amount of funds, I will definitely do that for you, because right now I'm still not making a ton of money in this. But, you know, it's in progress. And then also later on down the road, In another playlist, I can also do how I set up my inventory, things for my stuff that I do online also. I will let you know for sure when everything is uploaded on there for the business type stuff, because I really do want to help you guys all be super independent. And then when you get set up, you will be set up in a really good way. Down the road, if you start making a lot of money and you can afford to hire and train someone, that is totally your call. I might just stick with doing it myself. I know it's a lot of work, but that's okay. I will figure things out as I go. And also, any other comments or questions that you guys might want to ask me, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. My email is also in the description for Flippin' Fantastic Finds and Things, and also AM Burns Collection and Gig Chick. So if you have anything related to gig work, message the Gig Chick. If you have anything related to the business side of things, message AM Burns Collection. And if you have anything that you want to add or ask me about flipping furniture or doing homemade crafts or things like that, that's what this channel is all about right here. Please email my Flippin' Fantastic Finds and Things email address. So that is it for this video, keeping it short and sweet this time. So yep, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tap that notification bell for further videos from me, because I have more awesome stuff coming. I know these have been kind of boring, but they're there for inspiration to show people that I'm starting from rock bottom at this point. So please do those things for me, and I will do them back for you. If you start a YouTube channel, please let me know. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day, and stay safe out there. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.